Assalamu alaikum. Chapter Direct and Inverse Proportions Part 1 Exercise 1b. Topics to be discussed are question 9 and 10 of Exercise 1b and Practice Exercise 7. For reference, we are using Exercise 1b of this book, so stay tuned.
Alright, practice now. 7. Question: is the length L centimeter of simple pendulum is directly proportional to the square of period time taken to complete one oscillation, that is t seconds. Okay, so simply before going further, let's write down L is directly proportional to T whole square, and L is equals to K T square. Let's call it number 1. Now, a pendulum with a length of 220.5 centimeter has a period of 3 seconds. So find out an equation that is connecting L and T, and for equation, to find out the equation we must know the value of K. So let's find out the value of K using L is equals to 0.5 centimeter and T is equals to 3 seconds. Putting values in our equation number 1, that would be 0.5 is equals to K into 3 whole square. It's T square here, and value of T is given to us, so we will just put the value of T and square it. So 220 point K is equals to 220.5 divided by 9, and the value of K is 24.5. Yeah, this is the value of K. Let's put this value of K in our equation. We are solving number 1 part, so let's put this. Now L is equals to 24.5 T whole square. This is our required equation for part 2. For part 2, find the length of the pendulum which has a period of 5 seconds. Length of pendulum, we have to find out. Time is 5 seconds. Okay, and K is already known to us, so just putting the value. L is equals to 24.5 into 5 whole square. Because of this, now L is equals to 24.5 multiplied by 25. and this will give us, after multiplication, 612 centimeter is the value of L. Alright. Now for part 3. What is the period of pendulum which has a length of 98 meters? So length is 0.9 meter. 0.98 meter. All the values are given in centimeters. Remember, we find out the value of K using centimeter. So we must convert this 0.98 into centimeter. So we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 0.98 meter will be 0.98 multiplied by 100, that is 98 meter. Okay, now we have to find out the value of T, that is unknown to us. Okay, now putting all the above values and the value of constant in our equation number 1, that is 98 is this 24.5 into T whole square and 98, but we have 24.5 in the denominator. I am going to multiply by 10 and the numerator and denominator to simplify our answer. T square is equals to 980 upon 245 now, and it's going to be 4. Now, taking root on both the side, we will get 2 second. The value of, just a minute, 2 second. Second is looking like 5, so it's 2 second. Now this is the answer, and similar questions are question 9, 10 and 12. So it's recommended that you solve the question number 9 and check this step with us. I'm going to solve it, but I'm not explaining this question to you. It's very simple question number 9, and question number 10 I will explain it, and you can find out the solution in this video. So this is it. Question number 10, exercise 1b. If y is directly proportional to x square and the difference in the value of y when x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 is 32, find the value of y when x is equals to 31. So first of all, we know y is directly proportional to x square and y is equals to kx square. Now let's call it number 1. All right. So the difference in the value of y when x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 is 32. This means when the value of x is 1, its dependent corresponding y, let's call it y1. And when the value of x is 3, is its corresponding y2. Their difference, the value in the difference in the value of these y2 and y1 is 32, right? We can also write this like y2 minus y1 is equals to 32. Let's call it a. Now we have to find the value of y when x is equals to minus 1. So as we know that in usual questions they have mentioned the value of x and y. From that we can find out the value of k. Right now the value of y is unknown but their difference is given. We will use this difference and find out the value of k. Alright, so first what we will do is find out the value of y1. Naturally, we don't know the value of k. We do not know the value of y1. So, our value of y1 will be in terms of k. Now, k, I don't know the value of k. X whole square. It's going to be y1 is equals to k. And for y2, k 3 whole square, y2 is equals to k. Sorry, y2 is equals to 9k. Now we know the value of y1 and y2 and we can use these two values into our relationship to find out the value of, into our given equation to find out the value of k. So right now y2 is 9k minus k is equals to 32. K is equals to 4. Now we can use this value of k in our given condition to find out the value of y. Now we know the value of k. So for y from our equation 1 we know y is equals to 4 multiply by minus 2 for y, and you know x is equals to minus 2 here. Now y is equals to 4 2s are 8. For y, so for y, we know the value of k, and x is already given. We will put these two values in our formula and get the value of y. 4 minus 2 whole square, right? 4
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.